Hello everyone, it's Sophie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got another one of them. But this one is the special edition, but it is a past box again. This one was £25, so a little bit more than the last one, but it's a lot bigger than the last one. Let's have a look. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. T-shirt. I've always wanted to use that spell. That's amazing. I love that. That's going straight on. I love it. Will I be wearing these? Absolutely. That's like so, I don't like this word, but I'm going to use it anyway. Iconic. I've always wanted to use that spell. Oh, this box is like slightly open, so I'm going for it. Oh, hang on. Danny? That's a good sign. It shows he's not listening to me, and I told him not to when I'm filming. Oh wait, no, he's coming up the stairs. Do you know where my Sword of Gryffindor is? Got my Sword of Gryffindor letter opener. And it actually works. No, it doesn't. That's cause I'm not a true Gryffindor. No, it actually has not worked. Ah. Oh, of course. Because it was in a like different size shape. Another chess piece. I like that it's different to the last one. Still that weird. Tap, 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 tap. I apologise, my nails need doing. I am booked in. Yep, like that. Now I really do need the full set. What else we got? This looks very familiar. I had a box exactly the same as this in the last box. Yeah. Restricted section. Pretty cool. Like I said, exactly the same as the last one. It's a shame I'm not a proper YouTuber. I could have done a giveaway. I'll just gift it on to somebody. What else we got? Oh, I like them. It's like his and hers pin badges. Proud to be a witch. Proud to be. Oh, I like that. Oh. How good are they? But I'm with a muggle, so. So this is what you get at first look. Guessing a sorting hat. But I have no idea. Ah! It's not a sorting hat. That is adorable. And again, not plastic. That hurt when I dropped that. Okay, so we've got a box that's not just plain, so we don't want to rip these ones. Oh, that's quite cute, that. I feel like if you didn't know what it was, you'd think it was just a cute little cat ornament. And I am a cat person. tote bag, always useful. It's good to have useful things in these boxes as well, isn't it? Oh, I was like, at first glance, I'm like, the staircase? No, no, it's Ollivander's. Ah, I like that. I do like that. It's another one of them things. I've got loads of these from the pound shop. This is a lot better quality than the pound shop ones though. And the obvious Harry Potter. I think I've got a night bus, a Quidditch pitch, Ravenclaw one, and a couple more, and then I've got some Disney ones as well. But this is like not obvious Harry Potter, and I like that. I don't know why I like that, but I like that. It's like when you're walking down the street and you see someone who's got something on it and it's not obvious Harry Potter, and you just sort of like, I know what that means. Okay, got another one of these. I'm not going to take it out of the box. That can go with you. Got that in the last box. Again, good quality. I've got a even cheaper one and it's better than that, obviously. Ooh. Dumbledore's doorway. Why am I whispering? Might start titling these videos, struggling to open more boxes. Ah. It's snowing. I should really not do that on the bed. The polystyrene's been destroyed and this is wonderful. Ooh. I like that. I do like that. Ooh. Sherbet lemon. I like that. Put it back in box like that. Stick some of this in it if I need to. It's okay. More cute boxes with more polystyrene. And more tape. I like this. Oh, hang on. Oh, I thought it was a Christmas tree decoration. I was like, do you know what? It is a Christmas tree decoration. I don't think that was its intended purpose, but that's going on my tree. Spanish pixie, by the way. I don't know if I held it close enough, but I like that. Here he is, look, on my Christmas tree. Awkward position because it was already up, so we were struggling for space, but little Cornish pixie. Hey up, mate. Hey up. Very interesting box. How do you get in it? Poor polystyrene. Oh. Okay. I've got cauldrons. Are these egg cups? I think they're egg. They're egg cups, aren't they? Are they egg cups? This is brilliant. I love this box. Do you know what? I might subscribe to Geek Gear in January. They are. I love it. Do you know what? My son's got a Toy Story egg cups, but we use shot glasses, and it works. It works. Oh wait. Are they egg cups? They've got like, you can see 3 circles in that one and 1 in that one. So now I'm thinking salt and pepper shakers. They're egg cups. I don't think that's the intended purpose, but they're egg cups. Ooh, ooh. Do you know what? Even though I called him a muggle about 5 minutes ago, Danny would love that. He collects little 50p Disney coins. They're really cool. They're not in circulation, by the way, so don't go looking for these 50p Disney coins. They're made like that. I do like that. That's cool. So yeah, anyway, we've got Voldemort on one side. And I believe Nagini's going to be on the other, because that's what the back of the packaging looks like. Yeah, reverse side of coin, yeah. It's getting quite dark, this box, as we get into the bottom. Has anybody else noticed that? Wait, no, it's not. I mean, Cornish Pixies, Defence Against Dark Arts class. Yeah, it's getting dark as we get into the bottom. Oh, that's what made me say it. Yes, I do not have one of these. Just realised this lighting is awful. Do I look like a ghost? It does open! I'm going to put a little note in there. I cannot get over it, how amazing this box is. Like, what? I mean, I wouldn't wear it. I mean, I might do if I'm going somewhere Harry Potter related. No, I'd wear me golden snitch. Oh. Okay, so we've got another one of these. You must have seen my last video. But, oh, she loves it. No, of course I didn't watch my last video. But, yeah, so I know exactly who I'm going to give that to. Certain someone who actually named a daughter Luna. And the very last thing, Geek Gear limited exclusive, this print. And oh, it feels like really nice quality. Oh, okay. Know straight away what it is. Oh, it's like literally, I don't think that's artwork. Surely not. Surely that's literally a photo from the film. Like, I'm gonna have to roll it back up though. But it's really, really nice. Nice way to end. So very glad I bought this. Much better than the second one. Definitely worth the price. Much better than the second one. Much better than the first one, I mean. Definitely worth the price. Will I be subscribing to Geek Gear? Probably. Like, I'm getting it really excited when I open these boxes. Favourite thing. Probably the t-shirt, actually. No. This little guy. No. Right, okay. So it's between the t-shirt, this guy, if it fits on a Christmas tree, or these egg cups. I don't think they're meant to be egg cups. We need a cheat sheet in these boxes, guys. But I mean, I could look on the website, because I know they sell the things separate. Find out for sure, but I hope they're egg cups. Yep. Oh, I forgot about the little. Oh, the pins! They're hiding under all the packaging. Oh, and so is my sword. Let's not forget about that. Oh, it's all sticky now. I'm gonna have to polish it. So, leave a comment below. What was your favourite item? Do you think this box was worth 25 quid? Absolutely.